Hey, welcome everyone to this week's 2 Minutes Tuesday with Bala. We're going to look into ARM templates. How do we use them to create a simple storage account? Let's get started. Created a new file called azuredeploy.json. We have the parameters which talks about storage name, and then we have it's of type string, and then minimum length is 3 and the maximum length is 24. So if you see below, these are the resources that will be created part of this template. So I'm just mentioning that it's a storage account, the API version needed, and then here I'm just using the parameter called storage name that is coming from here. And then I'm just saying the SKU being a standard, and then the storage type is v2, and then the properties support HTTP traffic only is true. How do we deploy this? So we need to create a deploy.ps1 file here. So it is simple here. I'm just pointing to the template file location, which in this case, the template file is located in the same folder like the deploy. So I'm just saying a /azuredeploy.json, and then we are creating a new Azure resource group deployment. And then we are doing it with the name storage template. And then I'm using a resource group, which is ARM POC RG. That's my actual resource group. And then you're using the temp file, the template file here. I'm pointing it to that JSON. So if I call this, okay, before doing that, the first step I need to do here is to call the connect AC account. So in this case, when I ran that, it was able to log into my Azure account. So anytime I do anything, it will be using my credentials to do it in my portal. So let's get it deployed. So when I hit that, so look at that, it's going to ask for a storage name. So in this case, let's give a storage name, demo storage. Hit enter. Let's give it a minute. It succeeded. It says incremental mode, and it was able to create it. So let's get into the portal. You can see this is my ARM POC RG. So go to the resource here, and you can see that the Bala demo storage is already here. Go into the deployments. Then you would see that storage template that we created. Click on that. And then you can see in the details, this is the resource it created. If you go to the inputs, you would see this is the input that we gave in the command prompt. And you can see the template that we used here. So this is how you use ARM templates to create the Azure resources. This is a simple demo. Thanks everybody for watching. See you next week with another topic. Thank you.